Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start an AWS course. First, identify your learning objectives and career aspirations. Then, research the various AWS certifications available, such as Cloud Practitioner or Solutions Architect. Next, explore the official AWS training and certification website for structured learning paths. Consider starting with foundational knowledge before diving into specialized areas. This approach ensures a solid understanding of the cloud platform. Once you have a path, select a course that fits your learning style. Many platforms offer comprehensive AWS training, from beginner to advanced levels. Look for courses that include practical labs, allowing you to gain real-world experience. Don't forget to check for practice exams, which are crucial for preparing for certification tests. Reading reviews from other students can also help you make an informed decision. Practical experience is key to mastering AWS. Leverage the AWS free tier to experiment with services without incurring significant costs. Building small, personal projects, like hosting a simple website or setting up a database, will solidify your understanding. Engage with online communities and forums to ask questions and learn from others' experiences. Consistent hands-on work will greatly enhance your skills and confidence. After completing your course and gaining practical experience, schedule your AWS certification exam. Passing a certification validates your skills and opens new career opportunities. Remember, the cloud landscape evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated with new AWS services and features. Consider pursuing advanced certifications to further specialize and grow your expertise in the cloud.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.